Every successful business begins with a product or service that solves a real problem. Let's learn the right steps to develop yours. Start with comprehensive market research. Know what your customers need and how you can address those needs uniquely. Define clear specifications. What must your product do? Align this with your market research insights. Design your vision. Whether it's a 3D model or a simple sketch, get your idea into a tangible form. Test your prototype with real users. Avoid just friendly feedback. Seek out genuine critiques. Build your product. Prioritize core functionalities and remember, launching imperfectly is better than delaying for perfection. Market your product effectively. Start strong with promotions to attract initial users and gather early feedback. Finally, never stop improving. Use customer feedback to enhance and evolve your product or service. Follow these steps to ensure your product or service excels in the competitive market. Start building your success story today. Advance with X-Pro in industrial design, engineering, prototyping, and manufacturing. Contact us now to transform your ideas into reality.